The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 Ford F-150 with a standard 6.5 foot bed with this Leitner ACS forged bed rack system. We just finished the installation. Super easy as long as you follow the instructions. Some drilling is required. However, where this rack clamps onto does not. So it does require an open bed rail. And here you can see we have 3 clamps, 1, 2, 3. And then on the back pillar, we have an upper support. So this is where you'd have to drill. So this bracket is drilled into place. You got 1 hole there, 1 hole behind here. Those are drilled and then rib nuts are installed. Passenger side and driver side. Again, here's the driver side rail that is clamped onto the open bed rail. So open bed rail is required. There is a special model that works with select tonneau covers. Check the website for details on that. But this is a great system, really versatile, super strong, up to 1,400 pound static payload capacity. So if you need to do something heavy, maybe like a rooftop tent with a bunch of occupants, this is a great solution. 800 pounds on-road and up to 400 pounds off-road capacity. So the rear bar is adjustable along the length of this rail here. The crossbars and this rail are both quad channel T-track bars. So there's a channel on the top, which is right now has the rubber diffuser inserted on the front and back bar. But the side and on the bottom both have T-slots. So that helps with attaching the rack and also using the multitude of accessories that Leitner has. They have, oh boy, they have awning brackets, light brackets, tie downs. They've got gear pod XL, the new dual gear pod, the shower kit, universal plate for fuel cans, water cans, and I'm sure I'm missing some other things. They have cleanup kits too, so if you want to add some wiring to this and hide it, there's little panels that clip onto here. It's a pretty neat system, worth checking out and definitely worth considering purchasing. So that's just kind of a quick look at this system here. The load bars are going to be 60 inches in length, side to side. So if you're looking for perspective, there's a side view. But for complete details, go ahead and click the link on the description below or visit our website, therackshop.com. We offer free shipping on these. Come check it out in the store. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, give me a call, shoot us an email, hello@therackshop.com. Visit the website or come on by. All right, and thanks for watching.